Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain you some questions from physics, that is numericals. The first question is a piece of mass 60 gram ice is dropped into 500 gram of water at 75 degrees Celsius. Calculate the final temperature of water after all the ice has melted. Specific heat capacity of water equals to 4200 joule per kg per degree Celsius, and specific latent heat of fusion of ice is 336 into 10 to the power 3 joule per kg. Now the solution is mass of ice equals to m ice equals to 60 gram, and mass of water, that is 2, equals to m water, that is 500 gram. Now temperature of water equals to T water, that is 75 degrees Celsius, and a specific heat capacity of water is 4200 joule per kg degrees Celsius. Now let the final temperature of water equals to T degrees Celsius. Delta T, that is change in temperature. By the principle of calorimetry, heat given out by hot water or of hot water equals to heat taken by ice. So here you have to keep in mind that ice firstly melts by taking heat from hot water, and then it is warmed up by taking heat from hot water, and then it is warmed up by taking heat secondly as at 0 degrees Celsius ice and water both exist. So until all the ice is melted, it continues taking heat from the hot water. So heat given by hot water equals to mass of hot water into specific heat capacity into change in temperature. Now, you know that final temperature of water is smaller than initial temperature of hot water, because final temperature is the temperature of the mixture. So we write, for mass of hot water we write m, for specific heat capacity we write small c, for change in temperature we write delta T. This is delta symbol. Now mass is 500 gram, so we have to convert into kg, so I have divided by 1000, and specific heat capacity is 4200, and change in temperature is 75 minus T, because 75 is the temperature of hot water and T is the temperature of the final mixture water. So 75 minus T. Now 2 0 up and 1 0. 3 0 and 3 0 down is cancelled, and it is left with 5 into 420 into 75 minus T equals to, now this both you multiply, you get 2100 into 75 minus T. This is equation 1. Now heat taken by ice. So heat taken while converting ice at 0 degrees Celsius into water at 0 degrees Celsius, because you know that ice and water at 0 degrees Celsius, water freezes into ice, and again it melts also at 0 degrees Celsius. So we have to convert ice into water, and then water is taking 0, that means water at 0 degrees Celsius, it is again taking heat from the hot water to be warmed up. So two times it is taking heat, and so both we have to add for heat taking by ice. So heat taken while converting ice at 0 degrees Celsius into water at 0 degrees Celsius is mass of height into specific latent heat of fusion of ice. Both we will multiply, then we will get how much ice it has, how much temperature it has taken, heat it has taken to convert into water. And until all the ice is melted, it will continue taking heat. Okay, plus mass of ice water into specific heat capacity into change in temperature. So mass of ice is 60, it is gram, we have to convert into kilogram by dividing 1000, and a specific latent heat of fusion of ice is 336 into 10 to the power 3, plus here mass of ice water is 60. Yeah, so 60 by 1000 into 4200 into T minus 0. Yes, because we are calculating of ice, and temperature of ice, initial temperature is 0 degree and T is the final temperature. That's why final temperature minus initial temperature of ice. T minus 0 is the change in temperature. Now after multiplying 6 into 336 and 1 0, this so much we get. Now this is here also 6 into 42, we get 252 into T minus 0. Then we get 20,160 plus 252T. This is equation 2. And equation 1 and equation 2 both are equal from the principle of calorimetry. So we write 2100 into 75 minus T equals to 20,160 plus 252T. And then these two we multiply. Again, this is also multiplied. After removing the bracket, both will be multiplied by 2100. And here, this so much we write. Now, this after multiplying we get this so much. This is coming left side, so it is subtracted, and this is 2100T is coming right side, so it is plus, and this both we are adding, then we get 2352T, and here after subtraction we get 137340. Therefore T equals to this by this, and we after dividing we get 58.39, that is equals to 58.4 degree Celsius. This is the temperature of the final mixture. Now, second question is, it is from sound. A man is standing in front of a vertical cliff fires a gun. He hears the echo after 3 seconds. On moving closer to the cliff by 82.5 meter, he fires again. This time he hears the echo after 2.5 seconds. Calculate the distance of the cliff from the initial position of the man and the velocity of sound. So one thing you have to keep in mind, that if man is here and cliff is here and man is firing, then the echo or the sound that is traveling from man to a cliff and then again cliff to man, then only echo will be heard. That is only the echo distance. So sound is traveling here to here, it is x, then again in coming also x, so this becomes 2x meter, then only echo is heard. So for echo hearing, time will be all, the distance will be always doubled. So let the distance between initial position of man and cliff be x meter. Therefore, time taken in traveling 2x meter by echo for sound equals to 3 seconds. Therefore, speed of sound equals to distance by time. That means s equals to 2x by 3 meter per second. This is equation 1. Now, when he moves 82.5 meter closer to cliff, then distance covered by sound for echo is 2 into x minus 82.5. Because he's moving closer to a cliff, that's why it becomes x minus 82.5 from the man. And again distance will be doubled for echo because it is going and then coming, so the total distance will be double. That's why it is multiplied by 2. So time taken is 2.5 seconds. So speed of sound in this case is 2 into x minus 82.5 by 2.5. And from equation 1, both are speed of sound. This is also speed of sound and this is also speed of sound. So both will be equal. So 2x by 3 equals to 2 into x minus 82.5 by 2.5. By crisscross multiplication we get 2x into 2.5, and that is equals to 3 into x minus 82.5. So this is 5x and this is 6x. 6 into x, 6x, and then 6 into this so much, we get 495. Now 6x is coming left side, so it becomes 5x minus 6x equals to minus 495. So minus x equals to minus 495, minus minus cancelled. Therefore x equals to 495 meter. This is the distance from between the man and the cliff. And so speed of sound equals to, from equation 1, s equals to 2x by 3 we have got. So 2 into x value 495, and by 3 you cancel it, so 165, and then 165 into 2 equals to 330 meter per second. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.